in Him, that depend on Him, that spend time still in His presence. They will mount up with wings of eagles. They will soar above the storms of life. They will mount up in His power. They will soar upon eagle's wings in the power of the Holy Spirit. They will run. They will run in the presence of the Lord. They will run in the purpose of the Lord. They will run in the things that they're called to, and they will not become weary. They will walk in His ways, and they will not faint. Even young men, even youths grow faint and weary, but those that wait upon the Lord, those that draw from His presence, His life within them, He is the fountain of life. As we draw our life from Him, we will mount up, we will soar in the power of the Holy Spirit. And those who have the Holy Spirit living in them, He will quicken, He will impart life and health and strength. They will run in His purpose, they will do great exploits. They will not fall. They will not fall by the wayside. They will not fall away from the Lord, but they'll mount up mighty in God. Because the people that know their God, the people that know their God, that believe in Him, that draw their life from Him, they shall do great exploits. They shall bring glory to their God.
Isaiah 60, verse 1. Arise,